If you're seeing a GOG download error E3, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that can help get GOG Galaxy downloading properly again. This is a common issue, and in many cases it happens because your internet connection is unstable, or because GOG Galaxy is being blocked by your antivirus or Windows firewall. The good news is that you can often solve it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If possible, open a website in your browser and confirm that pages are loading normally. If your internet is disconnected or weak, GOG Galaxy may fail to download games and show the E3 error. If everything looks fine on your connection, the next step is to check whether your antivirus or firewall is interfering with GOG Galaxy. Sometimes security software blocks important client files without warning, which can stop downloads from starting or completing. To fix that, you need to add GOG Galaxy to your trusted or exception list in both your antivirus and your firewall settings. Now, I want you to add these two files specifically. The first one is C/program files, x86, GOG Galaxy, GalaxyClient.exe. The second one is C/program files, x86, GOG Galaxy plus GalaxyClientService.exe. Add both of these files to the exception list or allowed apps list inside your antivirus software. Then do the same thing inside Windows Firewall or any other firewall you're using. This step is important because GOG Galaxy needs permission to communicate freely over the internet in order to download your games correctly. If one of these files is blocked, the launcher may keep throwing the E3 error even if your internet is fine. Once you've added both files to the trusted list, close GOG Galaxy completely and restart it. A full restart is important because the launcher needs to reload with the new permissions in place. After reopening GOG Galaxy, try your download again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem. If it still doesn't work right away, double check that both files were added correctly to both your antivirus and firewall exceptions, and make sure no other security tool is blocking the launcher in the background. You may also want to confirm that your internet is stable and that GOG Galaxy is fully updated. But in most situations, adding those two files to the exception list and restarting the app is the key fix for GOG download error E3. If this guide helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.